Look at these old buildings. Aren't they cool? I love that they kind of kept them the same.
Okay.
Well, I see an antique shop over there.
Antique shop.
Yeah. So I think I want to go across the street. If there's not anything. Now this all used to be antiques here.
Yes.
Yes, Andy. Woo! He is drooling because he just got some cavities fixed at my dentist today. Everybody, so today we're going to Lowell, Michigan. We're going to pivot a little bit from a campground adventure and go see what downtown Lowell, Michigan has coming along. We'll have some great adventures. Walking downtown, a little bit of history. Isn't that neat to look at that? And then this was the same building.
It was awesome. Look at that.
Oh wow, the public restroom.
That was the first public restroom was in this in the basement of this building right here.
Wow. Yeah, they used to just have like public places,
Yeah.
like a little area, usually by where the dump was.
Yeah.
And they would keep pigs in there. Okay, let's see what this place has.
You want to go in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Closed. They're only open Friday to Sunday, 1 to 5. There's another one right here that's open.
Okay. Ooh, this is a cute place.
Look at the chandeliers. Holy cow.
Look at that stuff, so cute. They got all their red, white, and blue stuff out.
Yeah.
Oh, these beautiful red, white, and blue vases are amazing.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful platter.
My mother-in-law had one like this
Wow,
from
it's
England.
so
She collected
pretty.
plates. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it is.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
It's hard to see. How much is that one? You know, that this one's 60, so that's probably
The prices of these were
Right there,
really, really
250.
high.
250. Cute stuff though.
Hello, everybody.
You want to look at yourself?
I'm looking at myself.
Now I'm walking along. Look at these beautiful chandeliers. Their displays are absolutely beautiful.
I've been wanting to do a project like this, but I don't do projects.
Oh, look at this
18.
picture frame.
That's cute, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I thought about doing something like this myself.
Toy cars. Ooh, this is pretty. Really, really pretty.
Wow,
Love
these
the blues.
beautiful blue and white sets are amazing. Different patterns, all in the blue and white
I mean, this
theme.
stuff is more reasonably priced.
So,
Okay, this is
so
what I don't
pretty.
like to see. I'll show you right here. eBay. This is beautiful. What? What? Oh my God. Andy, we are in the wrong place. Are you kidding?
Wow.
We are.
$12.95. Oh my God. I am in the wrong place. Here's a Staffordshire dog.
Ooh.
$250. The prices are so high here. It's insane. I bought a piece of like a linen doily here, and because it's my birthday, John said go ahead and get it. It was $60. So this place is a little pricey.
Yeah.
Ooh, my mom used to have a little frog like this.
Ooh, look at these cute little frogs. Kind of all over the place. Some beautiful jewelry in this cabinet. You're sure to find an extra special piece here. Look at the way they displayed this jewelry. What a fabulous idea. They put it on a mannequin so you can actually see what it is.
Those are some old. Yeah. Postcards, state views.
I'm gonna come over here and see if I can
Tennessee. Oh,
find
that's
some
neat.
postcards. I'm gonna give it a second try.
A through M.
Let's see if we can find some. I'm looking alphabetically, thinking of where I've lived or where I want to find a postcard just for myself. They do have other cheap postcards too,
You see Michigan?
but I think you have to sort through those. So if you have time, you
Oh,
probably
Michigan.
could. They have all different kinds of postcards. It's really
This is neat.
amazing what
I
they
can't-
have.
I'm not tall enough though, that's the problem.
I like the ones that are
can't see.
sorted, and I wouldn't mind paying a little extra more for those, for an extra special postcard. They even have a chair where you can sit and sort through postcards. That's really, really kind.
Middleville. Let's look in Middleville. Okay, can you put your finger there? Keep
Here
your
I'm
finger
looking
there.
for Middleville.
I'm confused.
The ones they have alphabetically are definitely a help. Ooh, look at these beautiful brooches. They're so pretty. I love the display
Those are
on
cute.
the lampshade. Isn't
I
that
like how
cool?
she displayed them.
I
You can
love
spin
this.
it,
There was some really nice
love
ones. And also some DIY on there.
Yeah.
Careful when looking at really old
It's like
ones.
real old.
They might be more newer than you think.
It's like 70s. Oh, I know
Oh,
what this
these are
one
so
is.
pretty.
I think this is a Sarah Coventry right here.
This one I have myself, and it's a Sarah Coventry. It's absolutely beautiful. I think the price on that was
Beautiful
pretty
brooch.
spot on, $25. They did have a lot of really pretty vintage ones. Look at that.
Ooh,
So
look at
pretty.
this one.
Some nice big ones. Definitely I felt like more retail prices though.
I'll see how old
Not
it
much left for reselling, but if you wanted to just keep it for yourself, look at how pretty that is.
It's hard to turn it around and like look at them though.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm gonna spin this around and see what else there is. Oh, these are gorgeous. Definitely a great place to find things for yourself.
Oh, what's that? That's cute.
Oh, now
Ooh,
this
I like
one looked old, but I wasn't really sure if it was really old because the outside kind of looked like the 70s. The back looked pretty newer to me, and that kind of was making me second guess myself. If you look at the back clasp looks pretty new to me. but the front area
Looks
looked
like it used to be
older.
like a pendant.
So I'm gonna guess this
Wonder how
might
old
be
this
an older
is.
piece or a picture of an older piece and put together in a newer style brooch. I thought
you
about
think?
buying it. It's absolutely pretty.
old. It's really clean though too.
I'm still
That's what's
looking at
making
it,
me
trying to
wonder.
figure out what in the world. It was kind of confusing me. And I did think about it. Here's a beautiful morning brooch, black with the flowers.
That's
This
weird.
one wasn't that old either. Definitely some vintage brooches, but maybe not so much antique.
This is
I loved how the seller displayed her items. Isn't that beautiful?
I don't know. I can't figure out if this is old or not. I mean, it looks old
I'm
when I
still
look at it.
thinking
But then when I
about
turn
this
it around,
brooch. I really, really like
it
it.
doesn't really look that old. When I turn it around, it looks like
But I know
1930.
with gut
That
instinct,
seems
this
to
is
be
not an
missing
old
something.
piece.
Maybe this was older than this was
Definitely
put
not
in it.
old.
I don't know. I don't
If
quite
it was
understand
old,
that
I
one.
would have bought it.
That's
So I
confusing.
put it back, and let's just walk away and see what
The
else they have.
old family.
Oh, look at this beautiful picture. It's so old. I absolutely love it. Wouldn't that be nice to find the family to that one?
Oh, look at
Gorgeous
this.
pieces of jewelry here. This antique shop might be out of my price range for sure. I would even pay that if I was keeping it for myself.
Okay, you're making me F up.
Look at these postcards. They have an amazing assortment of postcards. And a lot of them are nicely sorted by the sellers, making
I was
it
looking for
really
middle now.
easy to find a postcard. Here they're by towns. Oh, that's so nice. I was trying to find a postcard just for myself from the towns that I used to live in. I decided it was a little bit too much work to look. But look at this beautiful glassware in here. It's absolutely amazing. Here's another really cool picture in an awesome metal display.
That's really
That
pretty
is
here.
super old.
Oh, that's a cute hat.
Beautiful hat, that's for sure. I almost thought about buying it. Oh, look at this brooch.
$5.
Why is this brooch in this area? I don't know. It's definitely not supposed to be there.
We'll put it, no.
So I'm
just
just
lay it
gonna
here,
lay
and
it
they'll probably
here
see it.
and let someone find it, and then
I don't
they'll
think it's
probably
supposed
put
to
it
be
back
there.
where it belongs. Look at the frogs!
That's-
Did anybody have any of these
I
frogs in
threw
the
my mom's
70s, or their parents had one of these
Into the
frogs?
trash it went.
The sponge went inside, and it usually sat on your countertop in the
maintenance.
kitchen. Here's a really small room. I was gonna go
Blue
shopping
and
in
white
there,
angel
and then
figure
Andy
with
said,
$50
"That's a
off."
bathroom."
That's a bathroom? Okay.
Okay, we'll just keep
I
moving
don't wanna go in
along.
there.
It's quite tight quarters over here, but there are some things to be found. I thought about buying this
I've actually been
really
looking for one of
nice
these.
rack. It
Like
was
an old
around
one?
$65. And I thought that was a little pricey
I can make one.
for a
I want
rack.
an old one though.
Maybe I'll go back and buy that.
You gotta
but
have old brackets.
for me, if it was a little cheaper, I probably would have bought that. And here is a little tiny room. There were some good prices in this room. I see a Stanley thermos down there. Oh, here's some lapel pins.
I mean,
And
so
you
at
can
least you can
definitely
find
buy
something
a
to
bag like
resell,
this
right?
and make money out of them.
And you could resell that.
And that's
make quite a
something
bit
that
off
you could
that.
resell on
$10.
eBay. Or even a live auction. The prices
What is
in this
this?
booth I felt like were very fair, and this one was only 10 cents.
Souvenir postcards, Dearborn, Michigan. I don't know if that's really 10 cents.
I
or-
do have a lot of ephemera to
Maybe.
list, so I did pass on that. And I wasn't quite sure if that was the actual price or not.
These little cards.
This seller had everything nicely bagged up and ready to go. Priced individually, which I thought was really nice. I'm still confused. Is this 10 cents? Could that possibly be true?
Oh, I love
Look
old
at these
little books.
darling little books. They're so
Religious
old.
poetry.
Oh, this is so sweet. That book is amazing.
$12.
$12 for this really
is
old
cute.
book. I probably would have bought them if they were a little bit cheaper and resold
Little
them.
space.
But at $12, I didn't want to spend that much a piece. The seller had some
purses?
beautiful items, beautiful purses.
This is cute.
Oh, I loved this one so much. I think Andy thought it was a little bit gaudy, or he probably would have bought it. It just reminds me
Nice
of that
dye.
beautiful French fabric that you can find out in the wild.
Probably 50s.
Sometimes you can find French fabric
Almost looks
still that is
French.
absolutely amazing. Lots of tools on the wall.
Anything back in
Here's
here in these little
another
goodie
really
spots?
small room. And some beautiful brooches and just miscellaneous items. I love these little cubby spots where you can find treasures to buy for yourself or resell. Some great old postcards. Actually, these are magnets. These
Oh,
are
this is
not
kinda
postcards.
interesting.
This is a
Look.
brilliant idea.
What?
This was really neat. I thought
That's a
this was
good
a
idea, actually.
fabulous idea.
I like that idea. That's interesting. Okay.
Just looking around at all the beautiful treasures.
Anything back here?
Even up
Lots
the
of books. I
walls,
love books.
over the walls.
Ooh.
Old books. I
is a room you
absolutely
could spend all
love
day
old books.
in.
I probably could have spent all day
Yes,
here, but the prices were pretty
New Jersey
high.
train station, 250. That's cool. What is this? Records? Old record
Look at this
book?
old record album. Beautiful. I love how the light just shone through there. Some beautiful art on the wall, which I actually missed. Oh, here's some
History.
more books. Look at these really
this is
old
neat.
ones. These are so
1872. Look at this.
amazing.
Boston.
Look at these old
Waverly
books,
novels.
but the
I've never even
price
heard of that.
was pretty
Have you?
high unless you wanted to
Might be
buy them
very
for
careful.
yourself.
Be careful. 1872. Holy crud.
Wow, they were
$250.
selling them as a set. These are
have to look that
glorious
up.
old books.
That sounds
I might
interesting.
have to look for some for myself
I mean,
at a
that's,
cheaper
I would say that's
price.
worth it for that.
They
but
have fragile
Yeah, I don't wanna
stickers. How
spend that.
brilliant.
Let's do something. Let's do something for Sweet Melissa's birthday.
And
do
here
a
I'm trying to
selfie.
talk Andy into
Wanna do a
making
short for
little
Melissa's
short
birthday?
video.
Sure.
Okay.
Hi,
Hey.
sweet Melissa. Happy birthday.
Yep.
Hope you have a really good day. Bye.
Happy
Happy birthday,
Birthday,
sweet
sweet
Melissa.
Melissa.
Wait.
You didn't say it the right
Okay,
way.
let's do it again. Let's do it again. Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
sweet
sweet
Melissa.
Melissa.
Have
Have
a
a
good
good
day.
day.
Bye.
Look at these neat old buildings. Look at that. It's cool. Here's the beautiful Grand River in Lowell. That's nice. Oh, there's that riverboat. See that? That's neat. That'd be fun to go down, right? Should we do a riverboat tour today?
Do they still use that?
I think
Or is
so.
it permanent?
Wow, look at the boat. That is really neat. The Lowell Showboat.
Yeah.
That would be fun. We'll have to look up some info on that. That would be a blast. They probably have like a dinner tour. I'm assuming it goes off dock. Yeah, that would be fun, right?
Yeah.
Some little duckies over there. Beautiful place. Lowell is really neat if you ever get down to Michigan. Definitely hit Lowell. There's some cute little shops, great places to eat.